So in this video, you'll learn how to hide apps on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you want to hide apps either for privacy reasons or you just want to keep them hidden, this is what you need to do. Start by opening the Settings app. And in Settings, you want to scroll and select Home Screen. On the home screen, look for the option Hide Apps on Home and App Screens, then tap on it. Then from here, you can see a list of all installed apps you currently have on your phone. So in order for you to hide an app, you have to go through the list and select it. So for example, if I wish to hide Google Drive, I'll just tap on it like that. And then a section at the top will form labeled Hidden Apps with Google Drive underneath. This means that Google Drive is now under the Hidden Apps category. So again, just go through the list and select other apps that you want to hide on your phone. And then once you've selected the apps, you want to tap on Done, and the apps will be hidden. If you've accidentally added an app and you want to remove it from the list, then just tap on this minus icon on the app icon like that, and then it will be removed from the section, and you can go ahead and just select the app that you actually wanted to add to the list. And once you've added all the apps, you just tap on Done and the changes will be applied. And so now, whenever you go glance at your app screen or at the home screen, you'll notice that the apps that you've chosen have been hidden successfully. If you want to access the hidden apps, then you have to navigate to the apps settings. And to do that, you want to open the Settings app, then scroll and select Apps. And then from here, you can see a list of all the installed apps on your device, including the hidden apps. So if I want to launch a hidden app, such as Google Drive, I'd look for it in the list, tap on it, and then in the app info page, I would select Open. And then from here, Google Drive will be launched. And you'll notice that even if you go back to check on the apps drawer or on the home screen, the app will still not be listed there, which means that it's still hidden successfully. So again, just scroll through the list, look for an app that you've hidden, tap on it to view the app info, select Open, and the app will be launched. So that's how you can hide and access any hidden apps on your Samsung Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.